Hello, this is Peg with Craft Room Stories. Welcome to my channel. And thank you so much, all you new people who have subscribed and all you who stick around for the nonsense that comes out of my mouth. I sure do appreciate it. In my little crafting corner here, which is literally a corner of my living room, so that's why it's a crafting corner, I've got a lot going on. My design team project for the month of June, I am on the design team for Justine with House of Mahalo. And so I've made a few things that are going to be going in my French Blue journal that I'm currently working on. Now, I am working with two of her kits. One is called Hydrangea Garden and the other one is called Antique Letters. So these are background papers like this are background papers for the Hydrangea Garden, and I'm not currently using any of the regular papers or the fussy cuts, but these blue ones I really wanted to go with my kit. I mean my journal that I'm making right now. So then also we have the antique letters. Now I have coffee dyed all these antique letters and kind of distressed them a little bit, folded them up where they looked like they had been folded or needed to be folded. Okay, I'm back. Sorry about that. All right. So I don't even know where I was at, but this is the things I was making. I just used some of the background papers that she created and the antique letters. I was distressing them. And then these are just nice to stick in a pocket. Or, for instance, this one, this is an actual letter and not a receipt, I think. It seems to be. I can't read the writing very well, but it's from 1885. And so it was already folded, and I just went ahead and folded it after I coffee dyed it and distressed the edges. Added some lace and a wax seal. And then that is so nice just to pop in a pocket. And easy peasy. Literally, so easy. Then I had a piece of a paper bag, okay? And I took and put one of her background papers on it to strengthen the front of it. I'll glue it down. I may glue the whole thing, or I may glue it on 3 sides so it can be used again. I don't know. I don't know at all. But anyway, just ruffled up some organza. Put some, this is a little pocket I put on the front of it. Cute little pocket. And there's something real easy. I also made another flip up card. I think I showed this before. This will be a pocket this way. And we've also got a little flip up. Love the little guy. And it says Monsieur. Anyway. That we've got that. Then I've taken just a few of the little pieces that were like ripped, and I ripped a bigger piece. They just were that way. They came that way, little pieces. This one's put together. I added some lace, a little ribbon that I stamped on, and a flower. In a small pocket that goes, right? And then I made this little flippy thing, okay? This will be, I will have some magnets on this, and I haven't done it yet because I needed to get the glue out. But anyway, we have a flip here, so for writing, and a flip here for writing, and then this is a pocket. And then I'll probably glue this on 3 sides and make it another pocket, some kind of way. Fun little pocket. I love it. So that's my design team for June projects. Okay. Hugs. Bye.